This morning, a group of PNP supporters blocked a section of the roadway from Pewsey Hill to Hermitage as a part of a continuation of their campaign under the disguise of demonstrating for bad roads, the health center, and the school. I say it under the disguise because they were heard shouting PNP slogans of time come and no labor rights around here. I do not condone the blocking of roads because this is an unlawful act. But if they are to block roads, they would have better served the purpose of blocking the roads yesterday when all the empty barrels were leaving the constituency heading to the national arena for a particular event there. But I'm not surprised, as using criminals and criminality has always been a distinguishing feature of the campaign of that party. Let me address the issues once again, because I was in Pewsey Hill about 3 weeks ago addressing these same issues. First, the Prattville Health Center was ordered closed for repair by the Manchester Health Department. Users of that facility were asked to use the Cross Keys and the Newport Health Centers. The work should be completed by October. Secondly, Prattville Primary suffered extensive damage by Hurricane Beryl. They were put on the priority 1 list of schools to be repaired by the Ministry of Education. However, at the very last minute, the contractor backed out. They worked and they put a new contract in place. Unfortunately, the contractor was delivering materials for the work this morning, but were prevented from doing so because of the roadblocks. Thirdly, as it relates to bad road, let me state categorically that I did not bring bad roads to South Manchester. The PNP had their foot on the neck of this constituency for 31 years, stifling the life out of it. But I'm here to fix it. I'm here to fix every bad road that was left by that administration. I can report in 3 stages for this particular area. First, I completed phase 1 of Busso Lane, which is from Pewsey Hill into Warwick at a cost of $40 million. Secondly, there are 2 contracts out for repairs from Campbellsfield up into Pewsey Hill and from Pewsey Hill into Warwick, which I consider Busso Lane phase 2. And the third stage is that NWA, they completed the scoping for the particular roadway that was blocked this morning. And they did it for the Spark program. It is my belief that repairs should be effected on that particular roadway very, very shortly. And I want to say to those jumping up and down, shouting time come, that their time expired September 2020. No well-thinking resident of South Manchester would put the lives of their children and their children's children back in the hand of an administration that is bankrupt with ideas and put themselves first over everything else.